run my tungsten out real far like that. I got a 12 cup, alright? Heat my tack up. Got my heat. I run a little harder. What am I doing? Run a little harder. Keep it real tight. I'll take the wire out. I'll see how good it's breaking down. But I got about 100. I'm not sure. There goes the tie-in. Let's see again. Add wire. Boom, I broke that pack. Tungsten down. Trying to keep that wire out the way. Trying to stay tight. I'm running hot enough to where it's going to break it down. Boom, there it goes. There's my tie-in. Coming around. Breaking down this tack. It's about to blow open. There it goes. It's a little big like that. You can turn. There you go. I even scoot back a little bit. We went back up. See that dirty puddle now? Really just keeping that tungsten straight down. My tie-in. Soak it in there. Turn my heat up a little bit. Keep that wire right there. Heat it a little bit, only when it needs it. That tie and let it soak. Just like that. Loose in there. So you see I got a nice line down the middle. That's where I stop. Just keeping that thing hot centered. Keeping that tungsten right down. I'm just wiggling. Check that inside. Yup. Looking good. Alright, that's the root. That's how you do it in a rollout. Sit there and I run my tungsten out in my hand. It's pretty out pretty far. I got my rheostat right here. This controls it. I keep it on 300 amps over there. And I just kind of go by the heat. Try to stay right here for y'all. Make sure that fucking base metal start melting. Gonna swing that motherfucker. Going a little slower than I would. I want y'all to see. Side to side. having to feed my wire from the side because y'all are right in front of me. Get right up on top of it, maybe y'all can see. I'm not really pushing too much wire, but I am just enough to try to, just enough to get it. Normally I'd run a little hotter than this. Now you see me breaking down them edges. That's okay, because when I come to cap this thing, I'm going to run a little past it. But that's my little guideline. I'm going to stay kind of tight right here. Here we come, tying in. This is where we came, where we started. That's kind of how it's going to look when I go to do my cap, however I feel like doing it. But there's your fill and a hot pass all in one. That's where I came. And I'm literally just going side to side, just really breaking down, making sure that that rod, that extra metal I'm putting in there is fusing to the roof. And I'm just sweeping to the sides, making sure they tying in. And that's where I came up.